Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, bhai, yes, very much.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, the entire national board, whosoever is present here, and area head board and the area board members, including NHT, AHT, and the area members for being part of this AEX. I know we have had a tough year in terms of the COVID pandemic that has happened to the entire world. But all I would want to say is, guys, there are times when people go through ups and downs, but this kind of situation that has come, it comes in decades or I would say centuries. So all of us, although we have not been fortunate enough to do a lot what we had planned up, but we have been fortunate to do something out of box and the best community service what one could ever do in the lifetime. We have been able to save multiple lives. I'm proud of all my chairman, my secretaries, and the entire team of Bonhomie for being a support, standing hand in hand together with me, and making sure that we prove ourselves as warriors, and we all have made sure that we have turned out ourselves into the best of the humans what one can ever think in their life. We have got this opportunity to serve the society, to save people. It is not an easy job. It is not an easy task. People surrender in such situations. There are many times when hard times come, people prefer to back out from their challenges and back out from the positions what they taken. But I'm proud of my team, all of you, that you stood in this pandemic time and made sure that we give to the best of our abilities to the society. Few of the people whom I would like to really appreciate uh, during the entire year, especially the COVID times, who have been the most active people in past quarter. Ambuj, can you just come to the next slide?
Superstar performers.
Yeah.
Superstar performers.
Guys, these are few people who have stood high throughout the fourth quarter, made sure that we prove ourselves as good human. I would like to name them. Tebla Sumit from DRT5. Sumit Bhai, you have been a great support, always ready during the pandemic time, helping people. Thank you. Bhavesh, in spite of the pandemic time, you have proved yourself as the extension convener for Area 5. Thank you for being there, Raghav. Thank you for being a support and planning your school inauguration and the water cooler distribution, what you guys did. Anis, you have been a great performer from past so many years. The kind of community service what you taken and the challenges what you have taken in and the way we have finished entire 2 years of freedom this food drive and it's still going on. All the best to you. God bless you. Chetan, thank you for coming up for your donations for oxygen concentrators and coming up to help people in need. Pranay, guys, I have no words for this guy. I've seen one of the best human in my life. This Pranay Agarwal. This guy, there are many stories, endless stories, what he has done throughout the pandemic. So, if you guys just want to know, I would like to say one of the story. He is the guy who's was always there during the pandemic, during the COVID time, providing remdesivir injections to all the people in need, not by giving them at the black market price, helping them to buy in the black market price what it was available, but spending his own money from his pocket and making sure that the people in need are given the remdesivir injection whenever they require, and asking them to return back in a week or 2 weeks whenever they are comfortable. So this is the kind of heart what this guy has. Hats off to you, Pranay. Tushar, thank you for coming forward and managing the entire inventory management and the plannings for the oxygen concentrators that have come. Thank you for all the support. Sue, you have been a constant supporter to me throughout the year. Uh, there's no, I cannot thank you for one single thing. You have been supportive in all the facets, whatever, wherever it was required. So thank you for being there. David Bhai, thank you to you and BRT 130 for coming up and helping people in need and coming up with the community services, what you guys have done. Apart from that, coming up with new LABD sessions throughout the year. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Mayank, thank you for coordinating during the COVID times and making sure that the people in need are getting the right support. Ankur has been a constant performer as far as the projects are concerned. We don't have any words for this guy. He's been into projects for almost, I suppose, 3 or 4 years. And I think as good as the national conveners know, this guy knows the project's duty as good as them. Because the national project conveners do change every year, but this guy has been a performer from last 3-4 years. So cheers to you, buddy. Rajat, I have no words for you. You have been back support. There have been times we have seen in like I have been into Area 5 for almost 4 years, but the kind of chairman, vice chairman duo collaboration and the sync what we had, I couldn't see in the past few years. Thank you for being such a support. You have been there for wherever I needed you, and you moved hand in hand. And I'm sure, and I assure you, in the future that whenever you require, you'll find me everywhere. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Sir, pleasure has been all mine. In fact, I think what you have done is fantastic, and the leadership you have shown in the pandemic. I'm sorry, मैं cut कर रहा हूँ भाई तेरे को, but जो leadership तुमने दिखाया pandemic में ना, it's not easy. Trust me, मैं 2 महीने से देख रहा हूँ, 2 महीने से देख रहा हूँ, अभी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ वो करने की. But leadership in this year of the last 10-12 months, it's hard, and in area which is very hard to do.
Thank you, Rajat. Thanks a lot. Bye. Arpit, again, you have been outperformer. The way you came, मतलब no one was expecting कि 157 में एक स्टार परफॉर्मर ऐसे आएगा जो 1 साल के भीतर ऑलमोस्ट सबको स्वीप करके निकल जाएगा. You have been amazing. Be it community service, be it your chairmanship, be it the fellowship, what you guys came up, the ideas, what you had. You have been an outperformer. During the COVID times, you proved that the way at any VRs, you were there helping people out. Thank you for being such a good human being. It's a proud moment for Area 5 to have people like you. Thank you. Nitin, thank you for coming up with a great support in spite of you were suffering through the COVID yourself, but you came up and helped the society by donating the oxygen concentrators and made sure that you try to help people in whatever best means what you can. Thank you. Thanks a lot. 9As, thank you for being a great support. You are a great human being, man. Matlab, I would say that anytime, whenever I needed, you have been there. Whatever role has been given to you, I have been seeing this from last few years. Whatever role you take, you fulfill that with your heart, and the way you came up as a great human, helping people, donating plasma, trying to coordinate with people, helping people in need. It's a great honor to have you. Thank you. साहिल भाई तेरे लिए मेरे पास कोई वर्ड नहीं है. You have been a backbone to me wherever I needed, and I had doubts. या मेरे को लगा कि कहीं पे मैं फंस जाऊंगा. I knew you were there to take behind me and made sure that कहीं पे भी कोई problem आएगी तो you are there to take care. Thank you for being such a support. I know the words will be short to tell the kind of help what you have been throughout, have been giving throughout the year. No matter arranging my AX presentations, helping coordinate the AX, no matter taking any kind of lead, preparing my budget, guiding me in whatsoever needed. So thank you. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure, bhai, pleasure. Always there for you.
Ricky, thank you. Thanks a lot for coming up as a great support. You guys have been.
भाई पहले तो तुमने सुधार, पहले तो एक पंजाबी को वो बना दिया, बढ़िया बना दिया, नाम की माँ बहन कर दी.
पहली बार इसके नाम, पहले बार इसके नाम की स्पेलिंग गलत हुई और पहली बार ये एक्स पे आ गया.
ये आदमी बहुत गलत है.
सिंगला बना दिया
और मैं बार-बार पूछ रहा हूँ ये किया क्या है. मतलब नाम ही पूरा गलत कर दिया इस आदमी ने.
नहीं, लेकिन मैंने सही बोला.
ये होता है जब आप गाड़ी में रिपोर्ट बनाते हुए जाते हो.
So thank you, Ricky and Abhinay. Both of you have been a great support to area. Constant performers throughout the year, and the way you guys collaborated and made sure that Agra comes hand in hand. This is a great thing. Means this is what my first motto for the year was. Let's collaborate and try to make sure that all tables come hand in hand. And you guys at Agra did it well. Thank you. Thanks a lot to both of you.
Sound off.
ललित भाई 2 साल के भीतर में तू छा गया है. Thank you for being a great support, bhai. You have been active in all the facets, I would say, rather, and the way you have helped people, be it community service. अगर किसी को भी जरूरत हो, during the COVID times, guys, when people were afraid, were scared to go out of the houses, this was the guy who on a single call or on a single message was moving around to the COVID patients, trying to help people, families of tablers throughout India. I remember an instant when there was a tabler, there was a 41, I suppose, and he messaged in any of the area group that his family was in trouble in Noida, and within no time, within 10 minutes, this guy was at his house. Means, this is the kind of passion he possesses and a great human being he is. So hats off to you, Lalit. Can we move to the next?
The next slide.
Yeah.
साहिल कहाँ गया?
यही हूँ बोल.
So guys, these are few of the superstar performers
वही है same.
which are there in the next slide. Manoj, again, he's a pure soul, guys. जितनी प्लाज्मा इसने हेल्प करी है लोगों को नीड में, आई डोंट फील एरिया 5 में किसी और ने इतना हेल्प किया होगा. He opened his blood bank for the people in need, for all the tablers. जिसको जब भी प्लाज्मा चाहिए थी, he was the first man. हाँ नवीन भाई, मैंने कर दिया है. And within few minutes, means शायद 2-4-5 मिनट के भीतर में ये solution लेके आ जाता था. So hats off to you, brother. God bless you in all your future endeavors. I'm sure with the kind of good deeds what you have been doing, God will surely take care of you in the future. Tarun bhai, thank you for again helping people in need at COVID. You have been a great support. Thank you. Vansaj, thank you, mere bhai. In spite of the COVID times, you have made sure to fulfill the duty what area had given you as an extension convener, and also made sure that you keep helping people in need during the COVID times. God bless you. Love you.
Through you, Chairman, I would just like to share Vansh's family was, they were going through COVID. And during that time as well, Vanshaj came forward to help people out from not just our area, from outside area. So Vanshaj, thank you so much, bhai, for keeping the flag of Area 5 high in the nationals. Love you.
Thank you.
Pratik bhai, again, he again has come as an angel for Area 5. I'm sure Rajat will vouch for it. The guy who was there opening his hospital doors for the people in need whenever we were not able to find the hospital beds, still he was there trying to give his maximum support to all of us. Thank you, Pratik bhai. Sudhir, my chairman, love you, bhai. You have grown up as a great human being and made sure that the entire year, all the facets what were there have been duly filled by 311. I'm not saying this because you are from my table, but you have been a great performer, a great human being, and made sure that you fulfill all your duties very well. Thank you. Amit, he's again a rock star. I would say, I will tell him Mr. Dependable for myself. I know wherever I need or I tell him for any duty, he is there to fulfill it and make sure that it is fulfilled in a right manner. मैं अपने आप पे डाउट कर सकता हूँ अगर कोई ड्यूटी दूं तो, but with this guy I'm sure that it will be perfect. Thank you for being there. Ankit Todi, RCA साहब, thank you for taking up the legal compliance conveyorship in a great manner for area and managing the entire COVID concentrators management and whatsoever requirements were coming and managing the seat throughout. Thank you. Vicky bhai, again this guy is always, कभी भी आप किसी को भी कोई भी ग्रुप में मैसेज डालो और अगर इस बंदे के रीच में कुछ भी होएगा, he is the first guy to respond. No matter it's donating blood, no matter donating plasma, no matter community service coming up and donating goods to the people in need. Thank you, Vicky bhai, for being a great support. Neeraj, our Chotu, thank you for coming up and donating plasma to the people in need. Cheers to you, brother. Prasun bhai, thank you. Thanks a lot to the entire Muzaffarnagar team and yourself for coming up with food drive for people in need there and make sure that you keep Muzaffarnagar's name high in area 5 being the newest table, but still you made sure that you guys have been active throughout. So cheers to all of you. I would like to thank Prashant Bhai. He's been again a great support throughout, and in spite he being a square leg or we could see him actively participating in all the people who were needing, like whenever there was a need for COVID requirement, he was one of the most active 41 square leg, I would say rather, who was there present helping people. Thank you, PA Bhai. It has been an honor to have people like you in the fraternity. God bless you. There's this gentleman Arpit, whom I missed to mention during the last quarter. He was the guy who came up to donate socks and few of the needy things to the people at Chandigarh. There was a ashram at Chandigarh which were needing winter clothes, and he seriously, the moment he immediately received this, he came forward and supported all of them. Thank you. Shrey Bhai, again, a great support, opening his kitchen for all the people in need. Thank you for being there. Archit, Sare Sal, you have been one of the most constant supporter, making sure uploading everything in the social media and making sure that the area 5 pages are updated throughout every day. Thank you for being a great support. Shivam Bhai and Ripun, thank you for acting as support to all the people nearby, means the Tablers family, wherever, whosoever were in need during the COVID. Shivam was one man who I would call, and he would take care of the people in need there. So thank you, Shivam and Ripun, for being a great support during the COVID times. Same goes with Sivang and Sulabh. Thank you guys for being a support for during the COVID time. It means a lot to area. Guys, these were the superstar performers. There are few names who I would like to name as Chairman Star medals for this quarter, who has been one of the best performers of into area and made sure that we are proud of them. The first name would be Sumit Bhai from DRT 5. Sumit Bhai, thank you. The way आपने COVID के time में लोगों को संभाला, it requires a lot of hard work and humanity to come forward and do such deeds. Thank you for being there. Pranay, I have already spoken a lot about you. Hats off to you, bhai. Manoj, already spoken a lot about you. Prateek, Arpit, Amit, Saraf, Lalit Gaks, all these people have been a great support during the COVID times. They made sure that they set the perfect examples of humanity. Thank you to all of you. There are two gentlemen whom I would like to apprise with the Area Chairman Star Medal. That is 41 and NHT Sameer Jain and our square leg Pankaj Agarwal from 311. Guys, these two people have been a great support. They made sure that Area 5 names are flown high throughout nationals. We happen to grab almost 7.5 crores projects at Northeast and Rajasthan area, wherein 41ers Club and DRT 311 with the support of Pankaj Bhai has managed to build COVID wards throughout Northeast at Dimapur, at Guwahati, at there's a place near I suppose Zukinba, and one is near I suppose Silchar. There were 4 projects there, and 4 projects at Rajasthan. Thank you for taking a great lead. Thank you, guys. And this is all. I would like to recognize the people. There are few tables who acted as superstar tables. So all these people have been one of the best performers in area. DRT 5, NDRT 24, DSRT 32, DMRT 43, DSRT 151, DDRT 157, ART 279, DART 311, ATRT 329, and MRT 346. Cheers to all of you guys. Cheers. So guys, I would like to summarize my speech, thanking all of you for being a great support. It has been a tough year again, I would say, but you guys made me proud, made sure that Area 5 name is high in the entire nationals, and with the support of all of you, we have proved ourselves as one of the most dynamic area. Thank you to all of you. Cheers to all of you.